those folks started. So we're going to really enjoy Melody singing in Tagalog. Yes?
I would choose chance.
Okay.
Good evening to everybody. It's such a wonderful evening, and I'm so excited to be a part of this event. I was invited by my friend Mylene Hamjo, and well, it's kind of hard to top those other performers who went ahead of me, but I'll try to sing a song that my ancestors sang way back during the Spanish era, and it's called Bayan Kong Pilipinas, or in English is My Country, the Philippines, and it goes like this. Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig ang sa kanyang palad, nag-alay ng ganda't dilag, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan kong binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya,